Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire SUI, clarifying its relationship with MetaMask. It's important to understand that MetaMask is designed for Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchains like Ethereum, Polygon, or Binance Smart Chain. SUI, however, operates on a different architecture, meaning you cannot directly buy, store, or manage SUI tokens within your MetaMask wallet. We'll explore the correct methods. Since MetaMask doesn't directly support SUI, the most common and straightforward method to acquire SUI tokens is through a reputable centralized cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Binance, KuCoin, or OKX allow you to purchase SUI. You'll first need to set up an account, complete any necessary identity verification, and then deposit funds, either fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies, to make your purchase. Once you've purchased SUI on an exchange, you'll need a dedicated SUI-compatible wallet to store your assets. Popular options include the official SUI wallet or Martian wallet. Install your chosen wallet as a browser extension or mobile application. During setup, create a new wallet, and most importantly, carefully record and secure your unique 12-word seed phrase. This phrase is your key to your funds. With your SUI wallet ready, navigate back to the centralized exchange where you purchased your SUI tokens. Find the withdrawal section and select SUI as the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Carefully copy your unique SUI wallet address from your dedicated SUI wallet and paste it into the withdrawal address field on the exchange. Double-check all details, including the amount, before confirming the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.